So today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account and all the steps that it takes. So if you actually check out the link in the show notes down below, it's going to take you to a page like this, and you can actually even earn a little nice bonus for going through that link. So what we're going to do is click on the sign up button right over here on screen. So it's going to take you to a page like this that says sign up for PayPal. So you're going to plug in your email, phone number, your legal first and last name, and then you're going to go ahead and create a PayPal password, and you're going to also do the confirmation, and we're going to click on the next button right over here. So from here, it is going to send a confirmation to the phone number that we added on file, so we're going to plug that in. So here we're going to go ahead and add in our address. You can see we're going to need our street, our city, state, zip code, and then you can also check off the box to check in faster, and then you can also click right over here so you can actually go ahead and confirm all that there is for the disclosure, the user agreement, and then once we do that, we're going to click on the agree and create account. So you can see right over here, we just need a few more steps, and then we can actually even get our nice little bonus. So we completed the sign up process. Next up, we actually have to go ahead and add a bank or debit card on file, and then you can see you can spend or send at least $5, and then you can get that $10 bonus, which again will be in the show notes down below for you if you want to go ahead and check that out to get that nice little bonus. So just click on add a bank account, and right over here you can go ahead and either link a debit card or credit card. Keep in mind credit cards will charge you extra fees, or you can go ahead and link a bank account if you wanted to. That way all that money can be transferred in and out of PayPal pretty quickly. And just like that, we're here on the main page of our PayPal account. You can see you can start sending money, you can start requesting money, and then you can even start sending money back to your own bank account that you added on file. Now I actually want you to click on this next video right over here to keep on learning how to utilize PayPal.